Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we'll be talking about a new feature that's built inside the camera on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Now this is a part of the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, as well as the Samsung One UI 2.1 update. So if you're looking for anything new, anything fun to play with, go inside of your camera, tap on the settings on the top left hand side, and it's a way that you're able to adjust the tone when you take a selfie. So either you can have it as original, you can put it as a warm or cool tint. Now you can set this up to where it's always set up as either cool or warm, or you can keep it original, and you can also change it at any given point in time. If you find out you're always outside taking selfies and one of these makes your skin or something look better, you can keep it there preset. So there's not a lot going on with this screen, but I did do a screen capture of me playing with this indoors and outdoors so you can see the difference. But from this view right here, you're able to choose if you want it to be cool, if you want it to be original, as well as warm. So you can see just a little bit of changes going on with this. Even though there is no skin, there is no face, it's able to kind of make some of the colors kind of change to either a cool tint or a warm tint. But let me show you what I shot. It's inside of my gallery here. It's a way that you'd be able to see what it does if you're inside or outside. So with the screen recordings, I went outside, and let's say that we move this forward just a little bit. So this is what it looks like. This is what it did to basically the surroundings around me as well as my skin. When I'm outdoors, it's pretty much a direct sunlight. It's a mostly cloudy day on this day, but there's a lot of light hitting your face. So this is what it looks like when it's set up for cool. And then we switched it over into original, and then warm. You'll notice that in some situations, some scenarios, it could go a little bit darker than normal, which is underneath that warm setting. So let's say that we move on back. Let's move indoors and let's see what this one looks like. So you pretty much saw how you can set it up. You just go underneath the settings, you go over inside of selfie tone. Here is cool, original, and warm. Cool does kind of brighten it up just a little bit, but you really want to make sure that you're looking at your surroundings. But then when you go to original and warm, you can see what it does as well. So if you're not much of a selfie taker, you might as well just keep it in original. If you're somebody who always takes photos outside, you can put it as either warm or cool. I would suggest probably cool, and then when you're indoors, put it on warm. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.